Hey everybody, criminal defense attorney Eric Benavides here, coming to you from a gas pump at Buc-ee's here in Bastrop, Texas. I'm just leaving Austin, where I attended an annual DWI training that I go to every year. At the training today, we talked a little bit about ALR hearings. I get a lot of questions about ALR hearings. What an ALR hearing is, it's an administrative license revocation hearing for individuals who have been charged with DWI. In other words, it's a hearing where DPS is trying to suspend your license. In Texas, as soon as you get arrested for DWI, DPS automatically starts the process of suspending your driver's license. Now, that suspension can be anywhere from 3 to 6 months for a first-time DWI. The timing can change if it's your second or if you're a minor, but in general, for a first-time DWI is between 3 and 6 months of a suspension. Now, the most important thing to know about an ALR is you only have 15 days from the day you're arrested to request that hearing. If you don't request it in those first 15 days, then your license will automatically be suspended 40 days after the day that you were arrested for the DWI. Now, an ALR hearing is good for two reasons. One, if we do all of it properly and the officer doesn't show up after we've properly subpoenaed them, then they'll dismiss the license case against you. We'll win that and you'll never lose your license. Now, if the officer does show up, it gets a little bit tougher to win those, but it's good for us because we get an opportunity to question that officer about your case before trial. So it's a win-win. If the officer doesn't show up, we win the hearing. If the officer does show up, we get to question him and prepare for trial. So make sure, if you've been charged with a DWI, you either request that hearing yourself or even better, have your attorney request it for you. Again, my name is Eric Benavides. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Houston, Texas. If you have any specific questions about ALR hearings, just reach out to me and we'll talk about it and we'll go from there.